We were here in September of 2015 and it was a joy to sing here. So this evening I will share with you some songs of Kabir and other poets, not just Kabir, but primarily Kabir. That's why Suno Bhai Sadho. And he asks us often to listen. And he says, listen, seekers. And as we know, talking is easy and listening is hard. So, how do we listen? And even when one sings or one plays an instrument, one tries to listen. You cannot play without listening. So listening is the key for everything. The songs that I will share this evening, we have learned from folk singers. I think Prahlad ji has performed here. Prahlad Tepania is a very well-known folk singer from Malwa. There are other singers. It's a very vibrant oral tradition in Malwa, Rajasthan, Gujarat. I work with Kabir Project. Most of our work has been in this area. And we've learned songs that we've heard in these areas. So I will be singing songs from Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Malwa, Gujarat, and a few from here and there also. And these oral traditions have kept these songs alive without any textual support. So no one wrote them, no one read them, they weren't preserved in a museum. They are alive in bodies. So it's an embodied tradition. And Kabir himself didn't read or write. And he often makes fun of people who read and write a lot and who get too much in their heads. So he talks a lot about the body and the wisdom of the body. And how do we listen to the body? So this first song is from Malwa, and it asks a very fundamental question. It says, कहाँ से आया, कहाँ जाओगे, खबर करो अपने तन की. Where have you come from and where are you going? Look for answers in your own body. कोई सतगुरु मिले तो भेद बतावे, खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की. And if you meet one who knows the secret, then a window will open within yourself. And then he says, the way of the world, how it is. He says, Hindu Muslim dono bhulane, khatpat maye riya atki. Jogi jangam sheikh sevara, lalach mein riya bhatki. All these so-called religious people, Hindus, Muslims, they've all forgotten the essence. And they are more interested in fighting with each other. And even the Sufis and the saints and the jogis and the yogis, even they get swept away by greed. Qazi betha Quran vache, jamin jor wo kar chatki. On the one hand, the Qazi sits and reads the Quran. On the other hand, he grabs some land next to his mosque. बाहर बैठा ध्यान लगावे भीतर सुरता रही अटकी. And outwardly you may sit deep in meditation, but inwardly your mind is somewhere else, thinking of something else. What's going to happen later tonight? What am I going to eat? Who am I going to meet? What am I going to do? Constantly. And outwardly you may be a picture of deep meditation. बाहर बंदा भीतर गंदा मन मैल मछली गटकी. So very fine on the outside, but what is the reality within? Mala, mudra, tilak, chapa, tirath, bharat mein riya atki. All these rituals, these outer forms, which are easy, that's why people take to them. It's easy to follow outer forms without the inner essence. And to go on pilgrimages, to keep fasts, and so on. गावे बजावे लोक रिझावे खबर नहीं अपने तन की. Then he takes pot shots at people like me also. He says, you sing and you play and you please people, but you're not aware of your own self. You're not aware of your own body. बिना विवेक से गीता वाचे चेतन को लगी नहीं चटकी. You may keep reading the Gita mechanically, nothing will penetrate here or here, more importantly. कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, आवागमन मेरी अटकी. Kabir says, listen seekers, you stay trapped in these cycles of getting and losing, coming and going, attachment, detachment, gain and loss. हे जी हिंदू मुए हैं राम कही और मुसलमान खुदाई. कहे कबीर सो जीवता दुई में कदे न जाए. Kabir says Hindus die muttering Ram, Muslims die chanting Khuda, Khuda, Khuda. They are all dying. Kabir says only he or she is really alive who doesn't go into these dualities. तो हाँ कहूँ तो है नहीं और ना भी कहो नहीं जाए. हाँ और ना के बीच में मेरा सतगुरु रहा समाए. If I say yes, it's not so. And I also cannot say no. It's neither yes nor no. Between these dualities, that's where my true Guru lives. तो वस्तु कहाँ ढूंढे कहाँ, वस्तु कहाँ ढूंढे कहाँ और कई विधि आवे हाथ. वस्तु ठिकाने पाइए जब भेदी लीना साथ. Where is the thing and where are you looking for it? It's like there is a story that Rabia, I think once, or Lalded, she was looking outside under a lamppost looking for something, and some people came and asked her, Ma, what are you looking for? She said, I've lost the keys. I've lost the keys to my tijori. So they look with her for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then someone brightens up and says, where did you lose it? She said, I lost it inside my house. She said, why are you looking for it here? She said, because there's light here, I'm looking here. So he says, where is the object that you want and where are you looking for it? Far apart. You will find the object or the thing or the essence that you seek when you have the knower of the secret with you, someone who can show you the way. अरे कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की. अरे कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की. कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की. कोई सतगुरु मिले तो भेद बतावे खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की. अरे खुल जावे अंतर घटकी. अरे हिंदू मुस्लिम दोनों बुलाने खटपट मायरी आट की. अरे हिंदू मुस्लिम दोनों बुलाने खटपट मायरी आट की। अरे जोगी जंगम शेख सेवरा लालच मेरी आट की। अरे लालच में रहिया भटकी। अरे कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कोई सतगुरु मिले तो भेद बतावे खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की। हाँ खुल जावे अंतर घटकी। अरे काजी बैठा कुरान वाचे जमीन जुर्वो कर चटकी। हाँ काजी बैठा कुरान वाचे जमीन जुर्वो कर चटकी। अरे हरदम साहिब नहीं पहचाना पकड़ा मुर्गी ले पटकी। हाँ पकड़ा मुर्गी ले पटकी। अरे कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कोई सतगुरु मिले तो भेद बतावे खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की। हाँ खुल जावे अंतर घटकी। अरे बाहर बैठा ध्यान लगावे भीतर सुरता रही अटकी। हाँ बाहर बैठा ध्यान लगावे भीतर सुरता रही अटकी। अरे बाहर बंदा भीतर गंदा मन मैल मछली गटकी। हाँ मन मैल मछली गटकी। अरे कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कोई सतगुरु मिले तो भेद बतावे खुल जावे अंतर घटकी। हाँ खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की। अरे माला मुद्रा तिलक छापा तीरथ भरत मेरी आ भटकी। अरे माला मुद्रा तिलक छापा तीरथ भरत मेरी अटकी। अरे हरदम साहिब नहीं पहचाना पकड़ा मुर्गी ले पटकी। अरे पकड़ा मुर्गी ले पटकी। अरे कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कोई सतगुरु मिले तो भेद बतावे खुल जावे अंतर घटकी। हाँ खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की। अरे बिना विवेक से गीता वाचे चेतन को लगी नहीं चटकी। हाँ बिना विवेक से गीता वाचे चेतन को लगी नहीं चटकी। अरे कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो आवागमन मेरी अटकी। अरे आवागमन मेरी आ भटकी। अरे कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाओगे खबर करो अपने तन की। कोई सतगुरु मिले तो भेद बतावे खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की। हाँ खुल जावे अंतर घटकी। हाँ खुल जावे अंतर खिड़की। अरे खुल जावे अंतर घटकी। Any problem, Farhan? Oh. What? The tambura? Oh, but if this is too loud, it will give feedback. So. Okay. So the answers are in the body, says Kabir. And what else is in the body? He says everything is in the body. Says Ya ghat bhitar baag bagiche, Ya hi mein sirjanhara. In this body there are gardens and gardens. And the creator of these gardens is also in the body. Ya ghat bhitar saat samandar, Ya hi mein nau lakh tara. In this body are the 7 oceans, and all the 9 billion stars are also in the body. Then he says, Ya ghat bhitar hira aur moti, Ya hi mein parkhan hara. In this body there are untold jewels, unimaginable jewels. And the jeweler, the person who can recognize their value, is also in the body. And he says, Ya ghat bhitar anhad garje, Ya hi mein uthat phuwara. In this body, the unstruck sound, the primordial sound, the first sound, which cannot be made, which is uncreated, that sound which is in all of us, that sound reverberates constantly in the body. And a fountain of joy also erupts in the body. In the end he says, Kahe Kabir, suno bhai sadho, yahi mein guru hamara. Kabir says, listen seekers, the guru, my guru, is also in the body, not outside. But in other places, he says nothing can happen without the guru. So if you try to pin Kabir down, he's always slipping away from you. If you tell Kabir, for example, if you have an imaginary fight with him and you say, boss, figure out what you want to say. Are you saying this or are you saying that? Is the guru outside or is the guru inside? Sometimes he'll say the guru is outside and you have to get a guru and nothing can happen without him. Or other times he's saying no guru is outside, it's all within. So the mind looks for one answer. It wants definite answers, convictions. But there are no definite answers. It's a fluid reality. And he says, but it can be found and it can be experienced by something which is greater than the mind. ए जी कबीर कबीर क्या करो और सोचो आप शरीर, 5 इंद्री बस में करो तो आप उदास कबीर। तो कबीर कबीर क्या करो और सोचो आप शरीर, जो तन खोजा आपना आप उदास कबीर। So Kabir says, in his lifetime he acquired many followers. In India, we are not late to promote people to high stations. So we find saints very quickly and we have many saints also. So he acquired many followers and he got fed up of them, after a point. Because they were only interested in following. They were not interested in practicing. So he's telling them, why are you chanting my name again and again? What is all this Kabir, 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 Kabir? Look into your own self. Look into your own body. If you can master the 5 senses, And if you can look within your own body, then you are Kabir. You don't need to look for Kabir elsewhere. हे जी राम भागो ना जा रे तेरी काया में गुलजार अष्टकमल पे बैठ के तू देखे रूप अपार. Kabir says, don't go to outer gardens. There are gardens within your own body. Sitting on these 8 lotuses, you can see the endless play of forms in the universe. आया घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, आ घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, याई में सिरजनहारा, याई में सिरजनहारा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हे ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ओ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हाँ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा. Kabir says we insist on looking in the darkness. We don't look in the light. So if you feel like, sing along on ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा. आया घट भीतर 7 समंदर, आ घट भीतर 7 समंदर, याई में 9 लाख तारा, याई में 9 लाख तारा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हे ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ओ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हाँ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा. Come on, louder next time. आया घट भीतर हीरा और मोती, आ घट भीतर हीरा और मोती, याई में परखण आरा, याई में परखण आरा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हे ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ओ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हाँ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा. Don't be afraid to sing, it helps you be in the body more. आया घट भीतर अनहद गरजे, आ घट भीतर अनहद गरजे, याई में उठत फुवारा, याई में उठत फुवारा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा. ये बात, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ओ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हाँ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा. हाँ कहे कबीरा सुन भाई साधो कहे कबीरा, सुन भाई साधो याही में गुरु है हमारा, याही में गुरु है हमारा। ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हे ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ओ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा। आया घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, आया घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, याही में सिरजन आरा, याही में सिरजन आरा। ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ओ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, हाँ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ओ ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा। In this next song, Kabir talks about being drunk, getting drunk. And he likes being drunk. He likes it. So he says, Haman hai. Okay, someone's been drinking. So he says, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, रहें आज़ाद याजक से, हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या. Kabir says, I'm drunk on love. What have I got to do with cleverness anymore? I'm not bothered about being smart, clever, cool. I'm free of this world. I am not in bed with the world anymore. I don't keep up friendships for a reason or relationships for a reason. I'm free of all that. Then he says, जो बिछड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, हमारा यार है हम में, हमन को इंतज़ारी क्या. वाह. ओरिजिनल में कुछ दम हो नहीं, वो अंग्रेजी में थोड़ा ढीला हो जाता है. So he says, those who are separated from the beloved, they wander from door to door. My beloved is within me. I am not waiting anymore. Then he says, न पल बिछड़े पिया हमसे, न हम बिछड़े प्यारे से, उन्हीं से नेह लागी है, हमन को बेकरारी क्या. Not for a moment were we separated from each other. I am connected to him or her or that, whatever that is. I am not restless anymore. My restlessness is over. In the end, he says, कबीरा इश्क का माता दुई को दूर कर दिल से, जो चलना राह नाजुक है, हमन सिर बोझ भारी क्या. Kabir, get drunk on love and rid your heart of the feeling of duality, of this and that, us and them, man and woman, east and west, English and Hindi or Urdu. All these dualities, they trap us day and night. So get rid of that feeling. It's a very delicate path, नाजुक रास्ता है, प्यार का रास्ता, इश्क का रास्ता. उस पे चलना है तो भार उठा के नहीं चल सकते, हल्के होके ही चल सकते हैं. So shed all your baggage, shed all your weight. So Bulle Shah says, जीत जीत तैं उम्र गुजारी, हुन ते हार फकीरा, जीते दामुल चार कौड़ियाँ, हारे दामुल हीरा. Too much reverb, little bit less. तो हीरा लेंदे लखां करोड़ां, हीरा लेंदे लखां करोड़ां, ते कौड़ी दा मुल कसीरा. आखे पीर बुले शाह जिन्ने हार न मनी, ओ बेमुर्शिद बेपीरा. So Bulle Shah says, जीत तैं उम्र गुजारी, पूरी उम्र गुजार दी जीतने में, जीतना है. You spent your entire life trying to win. At least now learn to lose, O fakir. If you call yourself a fakir, you have to learn to lose. जीते दामुल चार कौड़ियाँ. What do you get from winning? 4 kaudis. Today's pleasure, tomorrow again. You have to do it all over again. It doesn't last. Hare damul hira. But if you lose, what you receive is a diamond, hira. और हीरे का मोल क्या है? हीरा लेंदे लखां करोड़ा. A diamond is priceless. Te kaudi da mul kasira. And a kaudi is worth nothing. So why run after kaudis? Akhe Peer Bulle Shah jinne haar na mani. Bulle Shah says he or she who didn't learn to lose, they are without a guru, without a path, without support, without guidance. Kabir says the same thing in a different way. कबीरा तू हारा भला और जीतन दे संसार, जीते को जम ले जाएगा और हारा हरि के द्वार. Kabir says, "Oh Kabir, you're better off losing. Let the world win in its race. The winner is carried away, dragged away by death, by Yama. And the one who learns to lose, he finds himself or herself at the feet of Hari, at the feet of the divine." आप में से कुछ लोग अगर पी के आए हैं तो साथ में गा सकते हैं, आपकी इनिबिशन कम होगी थोड़ी. मेरे को भी पी के आना चाहिए था थोड़ा. हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या. हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या. रहे आज़ाद या जग से, रहे आज़ाद या जग से, रहे आज़ाद या जग से, हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या. हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या. जो बिछड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, जो बिछड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, हमारा यार है हमें, हमारा यार है हमें, हमन को इंतजारी क्या. हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या. रहे आज़ाद या जग से, रहे आज़ाद या जग से, रहे आज़ाद या जग से, हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या, हमन इश्क मस्ताना। न पल बिछुड़े पियाम से, नाम बिछुड़े प्यारे से। न पल बिछुड़े पियाम से, नाम बिछुड़े प्यारे से। उन्हीं से नेह लागी है, उन्हीं से नेह लागी है। हमन को बेकरारी क्या, हमन इश्क मस्ताना। हमन को होशियारी क्या, रहे आज़ादियाँ जग से, रहे आज़ादियाँ जग से, रहे आज़ादियाँ जग से। हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या, हमन इश्क मस्ताना। कबीरा इश्क का मांगा, दुई को दूर कर दिल से। कबीरा इश्क का मांगा, दुई को दूर कर दिल से। जो चलना राह नाजुक है, जो चलना राह नाजुक है। हमन सिर बोझ भारी क्या, हमन इश्क मस्ताना। हमन को होशियारी क्या, रहे आज़ादियाँ जग से, रहे आज़ादियाँ जग से, रहे आज़ादियाँ जग से। हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या, हमन इश्क मस्ताना। हमन को होशियारी क्या, हमन इश्क मस्ताना। Is the tambura loud enough outside? Can you hear it well, loudly? Oh. This next song is from Rajasthan, and it's by a poet called Royal Fakir. And he says, लेना हुए सो लीजिए मारा भाईड़ा, अब आई लेवन की बेला। अगर लेना है तो ले लो, यही समय है लेने का। मानक हो जन्म हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे, फिर भटकत 84 फेरा। एड़ो रतन हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे। He says, if you want to receive, do so now. This is the moment for receiving. And each moment is the moment to receive. But do we receive? He says, this human birth is very precious. You may not get it again. Again, you will wander in endless cycles of becoming. And this diamond-like birth, you may not get it again. So make the most of it. Then these poets like to take pot shots at people like us. So he says, Sham jata sir shwet bhai hai re, तने अजियू ना आवे लाजा। सिर के जो काले बाल थे सब सफ़ेद हो गए, अब तो कुछ शर्म कर लो। That's what the black hair on your head have turned grey. At least now have some sense of embarrassment at what you're doing. तिरिया जकेनर करनी सूतिर ग्यारे, अब सरिया जकारा काजा. That person gets across, who gets across on the basis of his or her actions, deeds, not words, not talking. And whose all his or her actions have become perfect or good. Then he says, ज्ञान कथे न रहनी नहीं रहता रे. Maybe he's talking about me. He says कि बहुत ज्ञान की बातें करते हो, रहते तो हो नहीं. अब बिन तो रहनी कैसा ज्ञान आ रहे साधो. You speak a lot of words of wisdom, but you don't live it. You don't live the wisdom. What is the use of this knowledge, this wisdom, if you don't live it? मन प्रमोद सके नहीं अपनों रे. It can't satisfy your own heart. It won't please your own heart, this kind of knowledge, which is only intellectual. फिर और आंसू पूछे म्याना. Then again you go here and there looking for answers from other people, from gurus, from this or that. Then he says, Hansa हुए सो हंस गति हाले. If you're a swan, then walk like a swan. फिर छीलर पाँव ना मिले रे साधु. Don't muck about in shallow ditches and puddles and pools. Now the swan is a legendary, it's a mythological figure to indicate the self. And the swan lives in Mansarovar, the great lake, Manas Sarovar, the lake of consciousness. So he lives in the great ocean of consciousness, near Kailash. But then the Hans comes down to the plains, it migrates. And when it comes down to the plains, places like Hyderabad, 48 degrees and so on, we're getting there. Today I heard that we will reach 48 at some point, so we are on course. So he says, when the swan comes down to the plains, it forgets where it came from, and it even forgets who it is. It's a metaphor to say something about us. And it forgets that it is a swan, and a swan eats only pearls and it drinks only milk, not to be taken literally. So he comes to the plains and he mixes with Bagula Bhagat, storks and herons who eat fish, and he starts eating fish. Again, not to be taken literally. आजकल काफ़ी खतरनाक है ये सब. So then he says, so remember that you're a swan and behave like a swan. Don't go into shallow puddles. Remember that you come from a vast place. साध हुए मारा घट उजियारा रे, वे तो अकेल कलामा ही खेले. The seeker's entire body fills up with radiance, and he or she plays alone this game, this play, this endless play of creation. In the end, he says, he is a Marwadi, so he's a good businessman. He says, some Marwadis here maybe, tittering away. So he says, Kirpa bhai jad sauda rachiya re. When grace showered, the deal was struck, the bargain was made. अब भाव भगत कैसी आसी रे साधो. Now no more hope, no more desire. Royal Ratan amolak payo re. Royal Fakir, the poet, has found the invaluable jewel, the diamond. But he has to give something. It's a deal. It's a transaction. So he has to give something. What does he give? Veto sir sate avinashi. He cuts off his head and becomes immortal. संत कहे सगराम राम ने भूल्यो की कर, भूल्या बूंडो सी मान खो जासी बिखर. मोरा पड़सी टाकिया तो ऊपर लदसी, लून चढ़ासी सामी शिखर. संत कहे सगराम राम ने भूल्यो की कर. Sagram says, oh Sagram, how did you forget Ram? How did you forget that truth? Now your life is meaningless. You are like an ass or a donkey who's laden with packfuls of salt, and that donkey is endlessly climbing up a slope. That's what your life is like, because you lost your connection with that. लेना हुए सो लीजे मारा भाईड़ा रे। अब आई तो लेवण की रे बेला रे साधो माणको जन्म हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। फिर भटकत 84 फेरा रे साधो एड़ो रतन हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। लेना हुए सो लीजे मारा भाईड़ा रे। श्यामे जटा सिर श्वेत भई है रे। तन अजय रे लाजा रे साधो तिरिया जके नर करनी सु तिर गया रे। अब सरिया जकारा काजा रे साधो माणको जन्म हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। अब आई तो लेवण की रे बेला रे साधो एड़ो रतन हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। ज्ञान कथे नर रहनी नहीं रहता रे। अब बिन तो रहनी कैसा जाना रे साधो मन पर मोद सके नहीं अपनो रे। फिर और आंसू पूछे रे नाना रे साधो माणको जन्म हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। हंसा हुए सो हंस गति हाल रे। फिर छीलरा पावना मेले रे साधो साध हुए मारे घट उजी यारा रे। वे तो अकेल कला माही खेले रे साधो माणको जन्म हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। कृपा भई जग सौदा रचिया रे। अब भाव भगत कैसी आसी रे साधो रोयन रतन अमोलक पायो रे। वे तो सिर साटे अविनाशी रे साधो माणको जन्म हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। अब आई तो लेवण की रे बेगारे सागो एड़ो रतन हीरो हाथ नहीं आवे रे। लेना हुए सो लीजे मारा भाईड़ा रे। अब लेना हुए सो लीजे मारा भाईड़ा रे। Now I'm going to sing a Kafi by Shah Latif from Sindh, and it comes with a story. So first I'll tell you the story and then I'll sing the Kafi. So this is the story of Sasi and Punu, and it's a popular love legend in the area of Punjab and Sindh. So Sasi is a girl born in a Brahmin household. And when her Janampatri is made, when her horoscope is made, the Pandit predicts that she will marry a Muslim. And so the parents are horrified. And they take the small baby girl, they put her into a wicker basket, and they float her down the stream. So there is this little baby girl floating down the river in a basket, and the basket reaches a small village or town called Bhambhor. And in Bhambhor there live a washerman and his wife. His name is Muhammad. So they are without child. So they are by the river washing clothes, and they find this small baby girl. So they adopt her and they raise her as their own daughter. And they call her Sasi, which means the moon. So sure enough, when she grows up, she grows to be beautiful like the moon. And fame of her beauty spreads far and wide. And across the desert, in Baluchistan, Kech, in a place called Kech, there is a king called Arijam. Arijam has several sons. One of them is called Punu. He's a prince. So Punu, when he hears the name of Sasi, something stirs in him, and he wants to go and meet her. Now that was not the age of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So you cannot upload your profile picture and show, and you can decide in advance whether you want to meet this person or not. So those days were different. You had to actually cross deserts to see someone, and you had to take a chance. You had to trust. So this fellow, he says, I have to go and meet her. So he gets onto his camel and he sets across the desert to meet Sasi. And he arrives in Bhambhor as a vendor of musks and perfumes. And he starts selling perfumes, Itr. And so Sasi comes to buy perfumes, and they meet. And sure enough, in these love legends, it doesn't take time to fall in love. It's instant. So some things were instant even then. And so they fall in love and they want to get married. So Punu goes to Muhammad, the father, and says, I want to marry your daughter. And Muhammad says, what can you do? What are you good for? And he says, I'm not sending my daughter far away to Baluchistan. So he says, no, I'll live here with you. So he says, but how will you feed my daughter? What can you do? What are you good for? So the prince is good for nothing, as you can expect. So this is a side story. So he says, take these clothes. If you can wash these clothes to my satisfaction, then you can earn a living. I'll give you my daughter. So the prince cannot wash clothes, but he has some money. So he goes to a neighboring town, gets the clothes washed, and comes back. Anyway, so they get married, or they decide to get married. Now it's the wedding night is fixed, and Sasi and Punu are going to get married. Meanwhile, Arijam, sitting in Baluchistan, hears this news that his son, Prince Punu, is getting married to some washerman's daughter. Now this father gets very upset. You know, as I like to say often, in India we have a long-standing, venerable tradition of fathers getting upset about one thing or the other. So this father also gets very upset. And, so he says to the other brothers that you go to Bhambor and bring him back. So Punu's brothers, the other princes, they set out on their camels and they cross the desert and they arrive in Bhambor. And that they arrive on the wedding day. So it's wedding night, the wedding is happening, it's taking place, and they come pretending to take part in the wedding procession. So the wedding is over, they are actually married, and Sasi goes to the bridal chamber and waits for Punu to come. And Punu begins to go towards Sasi when his brothers stop him. And they say, we've come from so far away. Let us celebrate together before you go. Just celebrate with us for a while. So he sits down with them and they give him a lot of alcohol. The real stuff, not the ishq wala alcohol. So he drinks a lot and he gets drunk. Meanwhile, Sasi is waiting and she falls asleep. So you see this young couple, they have just got married. One is fast asleep and the other is drunk. So for Shah Latif, this is a moment which speaks of our unconsciousness. Union is waiting to happen, but we are always missing it. We are either asleep or drunk. So he says, so what happens is they put Punu on their camels and they set off across the desert in the dead of the night. When dawn arrives, Sasi wakes up in her bed and she looks around and Punu is not there. So she gets very bewildered and taken aback. She runs out of the room. She looks everywhere. She sees that the camels of Arijam have left, are gone. So she understands what has happened. And immediately everyone wakes up and she starts to run across the desert behind them. So her family members, they try to stop her. Her friends, they say, what are you doing? You're going all alone into the desert. You don't know the way. You don't know where they've gone. You've never been to Baluchistan. You're not taking any food, any water. Stay with us. We'll do something. She says, no, my destiny is written. I have to go. So this moment of setting off into the desert without any support, no water, no food, no guide, nothing. Not even knowing where she will go, but just this junoon that I have to go. This moment becomes a powerful moment for Shah Latif. Of moment of seeking, moment of true seeking, moment of true search. So she sets off across the desert and she travels many days. She speaks to the mountains, she speaks to the sand dunes, she speaks to the plants that she finds. Finally, when she's near death anyway, she meets a shepherd and she asks him if he has seen the camels of Arijam. And he says, no, he hasn't, but he sees that this woman is alone, there is no one with her. So he tries to force himself onto her. So she cries out to the earth that, I am your daughter, you take me. So the earth splits apart, another legend from long ago, and she enters the earth grave. Meanwhile, Punu wakes up on the camel of his brothers and he understands what has happened to him. So he runs back into the desert and he finds the shepherd repenting or mourning over Sasi. So he asks her, where is Sasi? And she says, Sasi is there. So he also asks the earth to open up, and he also enters the earth with her. And there is a place in Pakistan, Sindh, which is said to be the Mazar of Sasi and Punu. So Shah Latif, for him, it's a deeply symbolic story, or what it means to search. So in this song he says, Hand vechaya, tola vechaya, mover byo na vane. I've spread this bed for you, only you. There is no one else who pleases my heart. Bhaye diya hin Bhambor ke, muja ko jana piryan. I'll set the entire town of Bhambor alight with fire. I'll set fire to this town. They don't understand my beloved or my love for him. I have nothing to do with them. Muji jijal ma mujo dil jo dost vathyo pyavyan. The friend of my heart was taken away from me by those people. Then she says, Subhu savero velaro Allah ghayal kiyo sajnan. In the early dawn, in the early morning, they wounded me, or my beloved wounded me and left me alone. Now I get up and I look for him, and my friends try to stop me. Then she says, the ut katare halya. The camels are going in a row, they are walking in a line. And they are climbing these sand dunes. She can see them in her mind. They are taking away her Punu. And she says, they've stolen my Punu away from me. In the end, she says, Lok sutola nind kare. The entire world is asleep. Mujo man mach pya baran. But my mind is on fire. I can't sleep anymore. Lalu lal latif che, muji akhiyan ojakan. Latif says, now there is no more sleep in my eyes.
अल्लाहु आसिकन जी सिबे लिखल के केड़ी जात हिकड़ा विठाई हिन वाट ते ब्या जागे सारी रात पण वो दोस्त आई बेवफा जात जान जो को डीलंदे निंदरू करी अल्लाह ओ म्या.
Can you raise the tambura a little bit? A little bit.
हंद में छाया तोला वे छाया मुवर ब्यो ना बने बाए दिया इन बम्बोर के अला बाए दिया इन बम्बोर के मुझा को जाना प्रियन हाय मुझे जी जल मां मुझो दिल जो दोस्त वठो प्यारन हे मूसा हे डी कई रे हो तन.
More tambura, more tambura.
सुबह सवेरो वेलरो अला घायल कियो सजनन आऊठियो पई निहारे आला आऊठियो पई निहारिया मुझ शर्तियों सडड़ा कन हाय मुझी जी जल मां मुझो दिल जो दोस्त वठो पिया विनन हे मूसा हेडी कई रे हो तन अल्लाह मियां मूसा डाडी कई रे डेरन हाय मुझी जी जल मां मुझो दिल जो दोस्त वठो पिया विनन उठ कतारे आले आला लडे ओलक ता चढ़न चोरी पुनल के चाणे वाला चोरी पुनल के चाणे व्या मुझो पुनल व्या चोरे हाय मुझी जी जल मां मुझो दिल जो दोस्त वठो पिया विनन हे मूसा हेडी कई रे हो तन अल्लाह मियां मूसा डाडी कई रे डेरन हाय मुझी जी जल मां मुझो दिल जो दोस्त वठो पिया विनन लोक सुतोला निंद करेला मुझो मन मच पिया बरन लालऊं लाल लतीफ़ चला बिट जोई गोठ लतीफ़ च मुझी अखियन ओ जाकन हाय मुझी जी जल मां मुझो दिल जो दोस्त वठो पिया विनन अल्लाह मियां मूसा डाडी कई रे डेरन हाय मुझी जी जल मां मुझो दिल जो दोस्त वठो पिया विनन हे मूसा हेडी कई रे हो तन
Okay, it's almost 9. Maybe I have time for one or two more songs. Maybe I'll sing some Bulisha. And there are some requests. Okay, let me sing a request first. So this is a very simple song by Gorakhnath from Malwa. I think it's your request. Says काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम जुठड़ा सा लेख लिखाया राम काची हो कौन घड़ेली थारी काया. This body is fragile and the maya, the narratives that you spin about yourselves in the world, they are all false. Who, think about it, who made this fragile body? He asks. Then he says, Ghat mahi Ganga Ram, Ghat mahi Jamuna Ram, Ghat mahi Tirath Naya Ram. In this body, Ganga flows, in this body, Yamuna flows. And in this body, I take my holy dip. I don't go somewhere else to take my holy dip. घट माही अम्बा राम घट माही अम्बी राम घट माही चाखन हारा राम. In this body the ripe the mango, in this body the raw mango. And their tastes are different. And the person who can taste the difference is also within the body. Chakhanhara, jo chakhta hai. So what is this, I often think about it, what is this ripe mango which is sweet and the raw mango which is sour? They are both within us. Maybe there is a sweet side to us and there is a not so sweet side to us. And which one do we taste more? Then he says, Ghat mahi tala ram, ghat mahi kunji ram, ghat mahi kholan hara ram. In the body, the lock. In the body, the key. And the person who will open the door is also in the body. In the end he says, Machindar Pratap Jati Gorakh bole re, samjha so hi nar paya ram. Gorakh says, he or she who understood this found it. You will sing along, right? You're already clapping, so I think you won't have a difficulty.
हाँ काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम जुठड़ा सा लेख लिखाया राम 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 काची हो कौन गड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 हाँ काची छे काया थारी काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम जुठड़ा सा लेख लिखाया राम 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 काची हो कौन गड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 हाँ घट माही गंगा राम घट माही जमुना राम घट माही गंगा राम घट माही जमुना राम घट माही तीरथ नाया राम 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 काची हो कौन गड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 हाँ काची छे काया थारी काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम जुठड़ा सा लेख लिखाया राम 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 काची हो कौन गड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 हाँ घट माही अम्बा राम घट माही अम्बी राम घट माही अम्बा राम घट माही अम्बी राम घट माही चाखण हारा राम 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 काची हो कौन गड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 हाँ काची छे काया थारी काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम काची छे काया थारी जुठड़ी छे माया राम जुठड़ा सा लेख लिखाया राम 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 काची हो कौन घड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 जी। हाँ घट माही ताला राम, घट माही कुंजी राम, घट माही ताला राम, घट माही कुंजी राम, घट माही खोलनारा राम राम राम। काची हो कौन घड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 जी। हाँ मच्छिंदर प्रताप जति गोरख बोले रे, मच्छिंदर प्रताप जति गोरख बोले रे, समझा सोई नर पाया राम राम राम। काची हो कौन घड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 जी। हाँ काची छे काया थारी, काची छे काया थारी, जुटड़ी छे माया राम, काची छे काया थारी, जुटड़ी छे माया राम, जुटना सा लेख लिखाया राम राम राम। काची हो कौन घड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 जी। काची हो कौन घड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 जी। काची हो कौन घड़ेली थारी काया हो जी 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 जी।
Should we do one more or several more? Okay, let's do that, and then I want to do one song to end. Or rather, I'll do okay, I'll do something in that spirit. And Madhu, I thought she was coming up to dance because this is a song about dancing. So I was very happy. It says, this is in the villages when you have satsang, everyone claps, sings along, and people really are in the body and they also dance spontaneously, not as a ritual, but when it comes spontaneously, someone will get up to dance and no one will look at them. They're just dancing for themselves, and then they'll sit down, then someone else will dance, and so on. And in the villages, in the satsang tradition, this is the beginning. So it goes on till, this is just warming up, and it goes on all night. But we are city people. So this song by Bulle Shah says, Tere ishq nachaya karke thaiya thaiya, cheti aavi ve tabiba nahi ta main mar gaya. So Bulle Shah's Murshid Shah Inayat was upset with him once, and so he banished him, go away. And then Bulle Shah had to manao his guru, his Murshid. So in the end what he did was he danced for him. So he became, he made himself up, he dressed up as a girl and he danced to rijhao his guru. So this song speaks about that I'm dancing, your love has made me dance. Karke thaiya thaiya, come quickly now, otherwise I'm losing myself, I'm losing my life. तेरे इश्क ने डेरा मेरे दिल विच कीता, भर के जहर पियाला मैं तां आपे पीता। मेरे कामिल मुर्शिद हुन तू पार लगैया. Says your love has made a home in my heart, and I drank this cup of poison willingly, with my own will. Now only you can save me. Es ishq de jhangi vich mor bulenda. In the forest of this love there is a peacock who is calling out. In the forest, in this forest. Sanu kible te Kabe sona yaar disenda. Now more than going to Kaaba or Qibla, my Yar I see here. I have the darshan of my Yar here. सानू घायल करके फिर खबर ना लें. मुझे घायल करके चले गए और खबर भी नहीं लेते अब. ऐसे जालिम मुर्शिद. एक दिन गया मैं इश्क दे महक में. मैं इश्क के महक में गया एक दिन. दफ्तर, डिपार्टमेंट. महकमा मीन्स डिपार्टमेंट. So one day I went to the department of love. We all go to various departments to get our arzis and our applications moving. So he goes to the department of love. His application is not moving. The clerk is sitting on it and he has to give him 10 rupees or something. एक दिन गया मैं इश्क दे महक में. इश्क ने मेरी वड्डाई लुट ली. मैं तो गयो इश्क दी दाद लेने. इश्क ने मेरी धानाई लुट ली. So I went to the department of love to prove my claims. Look, I'm such a great lover. You should do something. You should give me some, position in the pantheon of lovers. So he says, but there they robbed me of my greatness, my sense of self-importance. And I went there to garner praise, but they stripped me of everything that I had. इश्क पीर पैगंबरां नू लुट लैंदा. वड्डे बादशाह दी बादशाही लुट ली. इश्क ने तेरा की लुटिया ऐ नादान बुलिया. इश्क ने तो खुदा की खुदाई लुट ली. So Bulleh Shah says, love robs. Peers, great saints have been robbed by love. Great kings and emperors. Oh Bulleh, why are you grieving? What do you think love has taken from you? Love even robbed God of his godliness. तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैया थैया. छेतियां भी वे तबीबा, नहीं तो मैं मर गईया. छेती बोणी वे तबीबा, नहीं तो मैं मर गईया. तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैया थैया. छेतियां भी वे तबीबा, नहीं तो मैं मर गईया. छेती बोड़ी वे तबीबा, नहीं तो मैं मर गईया. तेरे इश्क ने डेरा मेरे दिल च कीता. तेरे इश्क ने डेरा, ओ तेरे इश्क ने डेरा. तेरे इश्क ने डेरा, तेरे इश्क ने डेरा मेरे दिल च कीता. भर के जहर पियाला मैं तापे पीता. भर के जहर पियाला मैं तापे पीता. मेरे कामिल मुर्शिद, मेरे कामिल मुर्शिद, मेरे कामिल मुर्शिद उन तू पार लगैया. छेतियां भी वे तबीबा, नहीं तो मैं मर गईया. छेती बोणी वे तबीबा, नहीं तो मैं मर गईया. तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैया थैया. छेतियां भी वे तबीबा, नहीं तो मैं मर गईया.
इस इश्क दे झंगी विच मोर बुलंदा, इस इश्क दे झंगी विच मोर बुलंदा, सानू किबले ते कांबे सोना यार दिसैंदा, सानू किबले ते कांबे सोना यार दिसैंदा, सानू घायल करके, सानू घायल करके, सानू घायल करके फिर खबर न लइयां, छेतियां भी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां, छेती बौणी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैयां थैयां, छेतियां भी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां। बुल्ले शाह नू सदो, शाह इनायत दे बूए, बुल्ले शाह नू सदो, शाह इनायत दे बूए, जिसने सानू पुवाए चोले सावेत सूए, जिसने सानू पुवाए चोले सावेत सूए, जाम मारी है अड्डी, जाम मारी है अड्डी, जाम मारी है अड्डी, मिल पाया है वहिया, छेतियां भी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां, छेती बौणी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैयां थैयां, छेतियां भी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां, छेती बौणी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां, छेतियां भी वे तबीबा नहीं तां मैं मर गईयां।
You've reduced the volume in the monitor, or? So I want to end with a song which I've just learnt, and I want to sing it also because it speaks to, after that joyful Bulle Shah song, we'll come down to earth with Kabir, and he talks about what kind of times we are living in. And it's uncanny that the scenario that he's describing 500 years ago, you could say almost the same thing. So he says, Sadho dekho jag borana. Seekers, look, the world has gone mad. The world has gone crazy. Saach kahun to maran dhave, jhoote jagpatiyana. If I speak the truth, they come to thrash me. But if you speak falsehoods, everyone will trust you and believe you and follow you. हिंदू कहत है राम हमारा, मुसलमान रहमाना, आपस में दो लड़े मरत हैं, मरम कोई नहीं जाना. The Hindu says Ram is ours, Muslims say Rahman, and they keep fighting, and no one really understands the essence of either Ram or Rahman. And he says, बहुत मिले मोहे नेमी धर्मी, प्रात करें असनाना. बहुत ऐसे धर्मी मिल गए मेरे को, सुबह सुबह उठ के स्नान करते हैं और उनको लगता है बड़े पवित्र हो गए. आसन मार डिम्भ धर भेटे, मन में बहुत घुमाना. I've met all these very pious people. They take baths in the morning and they sit with the great asan, but in their heart is a deep arrogance, a deep guman, ahankar. माला पहिरे टोपी पहिरे, छाप तिलक अनुमाना. बहुतक देखे पीर औलिया, पढ़ें किताब कुराना. करें मुरीद कबर बतलावें, उन्हों खुदा ना जाना. I've seen all these people who wears malas, who wear topis and various other adambar. And they think that's what makes them religious. And I've seen many peers and awliyas, and they keep reading their Qurans and their books, their holy scriptures. And they keep taking disciples, and they keep taking them to various mazars, qabrs. But none of them really found the truth. या विधि हसत चलत हैं हमको आप कहावे स्याना. हम पे हंसते हैं और खुद को बड़ा स्याना बताते हैं ऐसे लोग. They laugh at me and they think they know the truth, they know everything. कहे कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, इनमें कौन दीवाना. आप खुद ही डिसाइड करो, खुद फैसला कर लो, इन दोनों में कौन असली दीवाना है, कौन सच में पागल है. मैं पागल हूँ कि जग पागल है. साधु देखो जग बोराना, साधु देखो जग बोराना. साच कहूँ तो मारण धावे, झूठे जगपतियाना. साधु देखो जग बोराना, साधु देखो जग बोराना. हिंदू कहते हैं राम हमारा, मुसलमान रहमाना. आपस में दो लड़े मरत हैं, मर्म कोई नहीं जाना. हाँ, मर्म कोई नहीं जाना. बहुत मिले मोहे नेमी धर्मी, प्रात करें स्नाना. आसन मार डिम्ब धर बैठे, मन में बहुत गुमाना. हाँ, मन में बहुत गुमाना. माला पहिरे टोपी पहिरे, छाप तिलक अनुमाना. बहुतक देखे पीर औलिया, पढ़े किताब कुराना. करे मुरीद कबर बतलावे, उन्हों खुदा न जाना. हाँ, उन्हों खुदा न जाना. या विधि हसत चलत हैं हमको, आपका वैसाना. कहे कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, कहे कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, इनमें कौन दीवाना. इनमें कौन दीवाना. साधु देखो जग बोराना, साधु देखो जग बोराना. Thank you so much. Thank you to Lamakan, Akshay, Farhan, Naeem, Thank you all for coming. मुझे भी बहुत मज़ा आया आपकी संगत. Thank you.